So now we're going to play the fourth part of the rag based melody. It's based on the rag Ahir Bhairav. The fourth part also has a medium tempo. So it's a little difficult to sing it with the rag, with the notes in the form of a sargam, but we'll try to play it very slowly. We are going to be using the notes your dha komal, your pa, your ma, the ga, your re komal, and sa. So let's try it. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare